And welcome to another session of Market Outlooks. I'm your host, Cavell, accompanied with me today. We have the man on my right, always on the right, Big J. What's going on, bro?
I'm blessed, bro. How are you?
I'm good, man. And we also have Josh accompanied with us, the junior student educator, Pastor Pips. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing good, bro. How's everyone doing?
Great,
Good,
man.
good. So today, guys, as always, we're going to bring you a market outlook. But before I go any further, make sure you check out litcapital.co.uk. We have some amazing courses available and some new courses on the way. And we've also got the website 2.0 coming out very soon. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to start off this week by heading straight into the economical calendar. And the week is not really as lit as we'd like it to be. Okay, pun intended. We've got the ECB speaking every day, President Jacob Lagarde speaking every day. And also we have some GDP mixed in with the FOMC speaking. So that really is as lit as it gets this week. So as Josh would say, it is what it
is.
Yeah, Josh is not in a game right now, guys. But still, nonetheless, we will see how the week pans out. Towards the end of the week, things might hot up, but yeah, the week's not really looking as lit as we'd like it to be. So, with no further ado, I'm going to go straight into Euro NZD, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm looking at this week. Now, from the higher time frames, I'm definitely aware of this area in blue that I've highlighted of structure. And I'd like to see price just retest this area if it is to come down, so that of course we can go long on a re-entry. We've caught a really nice trade. This was given out last week on our live stream calls as well as in our Discord. So we can see from this area up, we've caught over 230 pips. Staggering. I know. And with that being said, of course, we're just looking to see how deep the market can retrace in order for us to get a re-entry. Obviously, the market open, gapping down. So let's see what happens. We're going to sit on the sidelines to see, of course, a clearer picture. Price may keep pushing up, and if that's the case, then we're still in the buy. But I would like to see price probably retest somewhere else so that we can get a better entry. It's the same with Euro AUD. Okay, another really good trade is given out on our morning calls. So, guys, if you're not on these morning live stream calls, which happens every Tuesday to Friday, 6:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m., then you're really missing out because we gave out over 500 pips last week, which came simply from the calls. There's a few more pairs that I'm not going to go over today, but I will cover throughout the week on our live stream calls. So make sure you guys are there. Euro AUD is the same thing. It's pushed up out of a session candle, but now I'm just looking from the higher time frame if price could retrace. Now, I had this area marked out from Friday, which was just, price filling the imbalance, and it's done so and pushed out of this candle. So I'd like to see really where we stand. Just sit on the sidelines. I've got no problems, right? Allowing price to push up past my eye level and retesting another area just to make sure that I'm on the right side of things. So with that being said, really, that's me with Euro AUD and Euro NZD. Those are my focuses this week. I'd like to see EA push up. We have a short setup from up here, this eye candle. So, I'm aware of price being able to push up higher, which is the reason why we've been in the buy. But at the same time, looking at the higher time frames, we could still, this weekly candle here definitely does show me that price could still push down. Usually when I see this, price slaps down. Okay, when you get that thunder slap when your parents just drop their hand on your head, that's the type of slap this could have coming down. So, there's a weekly lit block here that we haven't seen a reaction from of recent. We've seen many reactions out of this same block, and price hasn't closed beneath it. So it's giving us that confirmation that this is the block. So let's see what happens throughout the week if we get a further push down. That's me. Over to you, Pastor Pips.
Thank you, Val. My first pair I'm going to go over with everyone today is Euro USD. For Euro USD, I'm potentially looking for price to mitigate out of this candle here and come down lower. When we look at things from a swing perspective, price has not given a deep enough retracement. I would like to see price retrace down lower to potentially give us a better buy opportunity. However, if this area does not hold and price does push above this area, we do have some imbalance above to fill and also a candle to potentially play out of. Now, my second pair will be on pound NZD. So having a look at pound NZD on the 4-hour, price is very bearish, okay? So just looking for price to push up higher, feel some more imbalance and play out this 4-hour candle for price to just continue on the bearish structure. Having a look on the higher time frame, this just looks very, very bearish. Just looking for price to potentially, come down, make a lower low on the weekly, or even continue to wipe out these two lows to the left over here. And yeah, everything will be updated within Discord, so make sure you are locked in and connected. So I shall now pass the baton over to Jacob.
Appreciate you, Josh. Right then, guys, I'm going to follow on with the pound pair of my own, which is pound USD. And I am looking for shorts this week. So just in regards to what we've kind of seen happening over the last week, we actually caught an amazing move, which was given out in our trading service. If you are interested in that, then do check out our website. And we basically had a push up into the same area today and a great reaction. So obviously with it being Monday, I'm kind of understanding that it could want to hover about back in our higher time frame candle area. But we are just seeing a great reaction this morning from London Open. So I'm bearish on this in regards to retracement happening. I am trying to target the 130 level to potentially be a buyer from lower down. So I am still bearish on this, and what we are holding in terms of positions is in and around this area. So if we can get another entry, that would be great. But obviously with it being Monday, we don't really take entries. We kind of let the market build and accumulate and kind of do what it does in that instance. So it's still valid in terms of the short. It could push up into this zone again to actually give us another entry. So that's kind of what I'm hoping for this week in order to further continue the downside move. My last pair I got for you guys is oil. Again, still expecting bearish movement on this also. What we have here is a minor imbalance on the 4-hour scale. And we actually had a push off of this daily candle area, which gave us the bearish move for the week. So I think we could get a pullback higher, maybe up to that imbalance area on the 4-hour. And these candles here I'm kind of looking at to then just recover and continue the bearish move and take out liquidity that's been building lower. So oil, with the lockdowns happening worldwide, we could kind of expect price to fall a bit. We're talking, within about the 30 range. I would like to see it go to about $30, maybe just a bit less. So it will be quite the move if we do get a great entry. But oil does like to play about. So definitely, if you are in the Discord, please tune in. These setups will be thrown in the charts channel. And myself and Val and Josh and other educators will be updating you throughout the week with more setups too, not just the ones that we're showing you on this video. So that's it for us today, guys. If you have enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. If you're interested in starting your trading journey with us, check out www.litcapital.co.uk to get access to our Discord channel for free, and just to check out what we have available in terms of services. The time is now Q4, seeing out the year strong. Let's get it. Remember, every day
is money
money
day.
day.
Jeez.